Okay, I'm trying to do this without a voiceover because I want to get this video out. All right, so I'm doing a Dutch pour for two reasons. Number one, I have a bunch of Dutch pour paint already mixed up. And number two, the commission that I have for the Bordeaux Red is a Dutch pour. So, or I'm sorry, a blowout. So I am really not too worried about getting this canvas completely covered, nor is the purpose of this to create something beautiful artistically. The purpose of this is to test these Bordeaux Red mixtures to see if they are going to be a suitable substitute. And if I end up with anything interesting out of this canvas, then I will cut it up and use it for skins or jewelry or something. Trust me when I tell you, none of my canvas goes to waste. Almost all of my dried canvases eventually end up in one of my classes in some way or another. So I am going to lay down our first contender. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not going for a design. What I'm going for is to get this paint to mix with white and get the red over the white as well as the deep red side by side to see which one is the closest to the Arteza Bordeaux Red. So we have 4 contenders, 4 paint mixes. And you know, I think I'm going to put just a little of the test paint there on each one. I'm really not even concerned with whether or not this paint dries okay or is the right consistency or any of that right now. What I'm looking at purely is the color. Sorry, some of these paints had thickened up a little bit while they sat here, and I was messing with multiple reds to see which one was going to be the right red to mix. And I'm running out of space. All right, number 4. That one I wanted to get a little bit more of the original red there. Okay, so also think I want to blow just straight red down like I did on this one over here because I like to see that. I'm making such a mess with this, but that's okay. All right. So, which one is the Arteza Bordeaux Red? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? Left to right. Either way, I think I've got some really good options for you. 3 options to substitute for your Arteza Bordeaux Red. So hopefully this will give you a nice comparison.